Hi everyone, welcome to our next video. So today I want to talk to you about bumblefoot. Now, often bumblefoot is caused by poor housing, so if guinea pigs are kept on wire mesh flooring or have poor husbandry, so that they're sitting in urine-soaked bedding or fecal-soaked bedding, what happens is the skin gets damaged, bacteria then gets in, and causes inflammation, and it then leads to infection. What I didn't realise was that guinea pigs that aren't well and just sit, obviously then are sitting in their own urine and faeces, and if they're run down anyway, they don't have the same immunity, and at that point they can also get infection in their feet. So this is Baby. She had pregnancy toxemia perhaps 2 months ago, so had to have an emergency caesarean section. We then had really intensive supportive care for about 3 weeks, where we were syringe feeding her. She was having vitamin C supplements, she was on antibiotics, she was on painkillers. She was really poorly, and every day we thought she wasn't going to make it, but she pulled through. But because she was really poorly and didn't have the same immunity that a healthy pig had, she developed sore feet. So today I'm going to show you how to treat guinea pigs with sore feet, how to bandage them and get them to heal. So the treatment for sore feet is to soak your guinea pig's feet first to clean them up. I used Hibiscrub, and that's 1 capful per cupful. You can also use betadine solution. Once they've been soaked and are clean, I then put them on a puppy pad just to make sure their feet are dry before you wrap them, because obviously you don't want them to have wet feet. We then use non-woven swabs, which we fold and put Manuka honey on them. So this is a non-woven swab which I folded, and I've put a dab of Manuka honey on it, and we're then going to wrap that around the feet. Now obviously if we just wrap that around the feet, that's going to fall straight off, so to hold it on we use vet wrap. And this stuff's brilliant because as you wrap it round, it clings to itself, so it's like it's got sticky stuff on it, but it's really easy to get off. So that's just available from online. I got it from Amazon. Obviously you can get them at all different designs, and I cut strips ready so that I've got all my woven strips all folded with my Manuka honey on, and all the vet wraps ready cut, so that when we start bandaging her feet, we can do it really quickly, so it's less traumatic for her. But obviously we've been doing this for a while now, so she's got really good at it. So I'm just going to see if I can show you what her feet look like now. Now these are much better than they were, but you can still see that they're sore. So the worst one she had was her front foot, which you can see, turn you that way a little bit, you can see it's still swollen and it's still got sores on it. It's just a bit sore there. Same on this one, just sore. Get the light, yeah. So she's been soaked in Hibiscrub. She's had half an hour sitting on a puppy pad, so that her feet are dry, and we're now going to wrap them up and show you how to do that. What we're going to do is put that on there so that the vet wrap, so that the honey sticks to the sore bit, and then wrap that round, and then the vet wrap needs to go above the joint or it won't stay on, and then leave a gap so that the vet wrap isn't touching the skin, because you don't want the vet wrap to rub at the skin.
Okay, that's that one. We'll do that one. Here, baby. She's all legs, isn't she? That's it. Oh, baby. It's stuck to itself. Okay. Okay. Lovely.